today we're going to be playing a game called Verbal Sneak. My brother recommended it, so I'm just going to try it out today. I don't know. Why is my name Chicken? So I can get a new skin. Oh, look at all these awesome... Oh, there's a unicorn skin. Oh my god, it kind of looks like a cat, but I'm totally getting that, totally. Totally. Select. Okay. To wear. And, oh, we're going. Why is my name Chicken? Ooh, it's kind of like Slither.io. I play Slither.io, so this should be good at. Oh, that was kind of easy. So what I've learned is that you're not supposed to like, and okay, you're not supposed to like, because my brother taught me this actually. Ooh, no. Okay. I literally just pressed it, and I got these random skins. Okay. I don't even know. Okay, so then here. Ooh, there's a person I can kill. It's so easy to kill. It's so easy to kill them. It's literally in Slither.io. They just as soon as you're about to kill them, they're like, I pressed share scored and I got like a bunch of skins. Okay, you guys, I'm pretty sure you can like, I accidentally did it. Ooh, dude. So be careful you're not like trying to get every single last piece of the nectar, I think that's what it's called. Because I mean, then you're gonna get carried away, and like other people who are eating the nectar also you might crash into. And you can squeeze really well in this. I feel like this. Oh my god! Did I just? What is that? Oh, no. I'll call this team if you want. It's kind of weird, but I know what a team is because I've watched my brother. So I'm surprised why I know so much about this. Is because I watched my brother play this game, so I decided to try it out on my iPad. Why are you so long? Trying to surround you. Is my body? Oh no, that's somebody else. Okay, I'm not gonna. Also guys, I think if you kill the bounty, then you get, if you kill the bounty, then you get to be VIP for a day, I think. Well, it's just a thing, I don't know. I'll kill this really small one. He seems, well, it's kind of easy. Usually when you're surrounding, it takes forever, you know? Because in Slither.io. Because, I mean, I thought my brother was really good because he's like even better than my cat, so. Hey look, you made keys, that's cool. Oh, mystery skin. Oh, cool, grass snake. Cool. Ooh. I think 2 fingers means zoom. I'm on iPad right now. So I don't know how it works on the PC. Because I'm not using a PC. I'm on the iPad. Can I get it? Oh, yes, I got it. Got the kill. Also, something to consider is that you like circle your glitter, surround your glitter. So then, if they try to get it, then they'll have chances to like accidentally crush into your body. So, oh, look, more glitter. It's like a void skin. I like it, actually. Oh, you could like zoom out and zoom in. That's cool. And then take... Also, do you guys know who's being like... I thought it was a cinnamon bun thingy, but it looks more like a poop now. Can I do it? Let me get the tail, let me get my tail. Tail, pretty please. Wow! No! Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try trapping this person. Please don't mess up. Some good things about traps is like sometimes when they're like doing a flick and turning on auto mode, they kind of like go in circles. Guys don't know what flick means. It's like abbreviation for away from the keyboard. It means like when you're away from the keyboard. Jeez, why can't I catch it to that tail? Is something wrong with my tail or something? Ah, that's better. Oh, there's a crabby. When you surround it, and you have to be careful if people are trying to circle you. Are trying to circle you while you're eating your nectar. If there's like nobody around, then you can greedily eat all of it, which is awesome. Sorry, little ladybug. I'm gonna have to do it. How do people even become ladybugs? I wanna know. What do you press to become a ladybug? Okay, so I got this guy trapped. And also, if someone's trying to trap you while you're trapping somebody else, then let go. You do not need the glitter. You need to survive. I'm gonna call the dead thing glitter. Sorry. I almost died from that unit. I don't know what that was. Not really defeated. I kind of like hit into my body, so it's not my fault. It's that their person's fault. What do I do now? I have like nothing. Wait, where's the map? Is there a map? Is there even a map? Or what? Where's the map? Oh, I was just saying, I'm pretty sure you cannot squeeze between bodies in this. I mean, you can do that in Slither.io. Jeez. Like, if it's like really tight. No. Whoa! Oh, cool! Let's do it. Oh yeah, I'm a golden thingy. Oh, cool. What do I do? Oh, get nectar. Oh, it's not called glitter, it's called nectar. That's awesome. Oh, I don't want to take my chances here. Oh, is this serious? No. I'm not taking my chances. Yeah, he's gonna take it. I'm gonna just go ahead and take that one. Oh my god, why is everybody so greedy here? Can you not split at least like one bug? And what is it called again? Food. One nectar. Give me at least one nectar. How that works. 156, you serious? Woo! Get hit by the rocks, you can't use them. Oh, there's a map. It's like up there. Oh, is there a river? There's a river somewhere? Really? Oh, Oh my god, there actually is rivers. Oh my god, that's awesome. That's really awesome. Let's figure I should have rivers and that stuff, you know? It looks more natural. Why is there like no nectar? Can people always give you one nectar here? Somebody give me some nectar. Oh, I did not mean to fly and land. There's no nectar. There's nectar in there, but I don't want to go for the risk. I'm gonna go here. No. Juju, let me have them. I don't even have, like... Thank you. It looks like I have to get 2,000, which is gonna take a long time. Pretty sure I am really good Juju because my brother plays as a Juju. Apparently that's what it's called. He dies his first few seconds. Hey look, there's some good pieces of nectar. Oh. No. No, I died on the rock! Okay, that works. Hey, look, I have chestnuts. That's what was this gift? Oh, 75 sapphires. Awesome. Look, there's some nectar. I can't go for that kill. Can I please? Yes. You just can't kill snakes, and that would be like so nice. I wonder what happens if you get all 2,000 nectar. I think I just saw this person as a Juju. Oh no. Okay, time to do... People are very mean and try to kill us every time I go for squeezing. No, you're not doing that. Oh, please. I'm gonna go for the surrounding thingy thing here. Maybe. If I'm lucky, I'll do it. Where is my tail? Oh, there it is. Does someone get my tail, pretty please? Even my skin's doing the pretty please eyes. Ah, yes! A few things I hate about the snake games is like when you're surrounding something and you trap them. It kind of like... And then if you accidentally just stick your head, they'll go for the chance to kill you. So annoying. Okay, I got a lot of glitter out of that and nobody even tried to go for my surrounding. I don't know if I could kill that guy. No. Oh yes, thank you. Now I might get my revenge. No, why? That. skin is like... Oh my god, how did I just die? Can I fly? Please? Oh, yes, I can fly. No. No! Yes, no! Yes. Okay, I'm gonna try to collect 2,000 nectar. Might take the whole video, but it's worth a try. Any big kills? No? I want some of that. Can I have the last piece, please? No! You a mean slug. I think. Is there any good kills? Please? Please, good kills. Please, I want good kills. What is that cool cake?